Dylan, do this.
Give me mommy.
Later.
In your camera.
I give you the camera later when we get home. Is that okay?
We're home now.
We're gonna be home in like
It's pretty warm out here, huh?
yeah, 20 minutes because there's traffic. We're gonna use the carpool lane.
Go traffic.
Yeah. Do this.
We're stuck.
Yeah. Dylan, do this.
We're stuck.
Yeah, we're stuck in traffic.
We're stuck in traffic.
Yeah. What's Daddy doing?
Driving.
Driving.
Dad, I can see it, mommy.
Okay. I'll show it to you when we get home, okay? Give me flying kiss first. Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Let's bye. Look again, mommy.
Say bye.
Hello.
You loco. Where's your kilikili? Where's your kilikili? Is it stinky? You took a bath, so it's not stinky. Okay then. How about your feet?
I'm taking